Hello, welcome to another video of Mk2 Golf Stories. Now, push a minute. Here we are with the Mk2 GTI, aka the Lemon. Got a few jobs to do on this today. We're going to look at, see if we can get the ISV working. Unfortunately, we have since discovered that the starter motor is dead. So, great. So yeah, see if we can get the ISV working, a few paint jobs, place a couple of wires, and maybe some other things. So without further ado, let's go. Right, so let's see if we can get this wired in, figure out where everything goes. So first of all, we've got this wire down here, which this goes into, so make sure the wires are all the same. They are, we've got the yellow and black on the back. Right, that's that one on. Let's figure out where these go. Yellow and black. Nope. What's this for? That's a horn. Is there a double white one? Let's set a fuse box off that. Ah, there goes double white one. I'll go up there. It's a good thing about this wiring, a lot of it's just colour coordination. Right, looking for a green one on its own. That's a random black one. Not sure where that goes. Another random wire here. What have we got here? So we've got hang on. Got a brown and blue wire with nothing going in it. Standard brown wire with nothing going in it. This brown wire here, which is going to a live, I guess, a red yellow live. Going to this plug, which has got a brown. There's something up there at the top here, and a brown down here. Is that on earth? I don't know where it goes. So if anyone's got any ideas about these two, brown and blue, that could be very handy. Got a yellow and grey one at the side here, but I'm looking for a green one. Solid green. Right, so I've been told that this black wire needs connecting to the blue plug, which is this one here, on the back of the fuse box. I'm not sure how we're going to do that. So try and figure that out. Coming out the back of this blue plug, can you see that? There's the blue plug. The black wire coming out the back of it. I wonder if I can connect this wire up to that. I should be able to. And there's still the issue of the green one. Can't find a green wire anywhere, a solid green wire that this plugs into. Maybe that's not needed. Let's try that, wiring that up and see what happens. So we have an ignition on live there, so we will use that for the relay. Right, I've spliced that wire into the back of the black wire in the fuse box, which was the ignition on. Still not sure where that green one is supposed to go. So we've got Titch coming around to do some welding, to weld up these holes down here. Yeah, to weld up these. So before we do that, we need to remove the ECU. So let's get that off. There's a few fiddly clips down here, which you need to. There's a few fiddly clips down here which we need to get off. I think they should just push backwards or twist round and pull off. we can get this off. Push it backwards.
Might get this up.
Oh.
You can walk it back a bit.
I'll get that wire off with that. I'm not sure, but it's not coming off on one side.
Waking up. Ah, there it is.
There we go. All done. Give that a bit of a clean down here now. So we're giving it a hoover under here, and you can see the state of the paintwork that's been painted here. It's flaking off all along. So I think what we'll do is we'll give this a damn good tidy up once Titch has done that welding. Get it clean under here, give it a sand and give it a paint. Speaking of painting, we need to give this a paint under here as well. So give this a bit of a sand, take these wires off, so I can give us a paint without damaging any other paint anywhere. Looking a bit better. Just need to get a bit of sand with some sandpaper to get the final bits off, and give it a wipe. Then we can start giving it a bit of a paint. Just as we start masking everything up, it starts raining. So that's the first bit of primer done. We'll leave that to dry.
Bye. That side.
Right, let's get this paper off. See if there's any, how different it actually is, if there's any lines that need tidying up. Oh great, I've got a fucking overspray over my windscreen. Better give that a fucking wipe down. So what should happen?
That should shoot out and spin.
Right.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Don't shock yourself, will you? So it's spinning. So this bit here should shoot out the front.
That's knackered. Yeah.
Right. So solenoid's not.
That makes it spin out.
Right. Okay. Brilliant. There's our man Titch doing more welding. Hello, Titch.
Oh no.
It's not carpet, it's sound deadening.
Ah.
It'll go up.
So we don't catch fire. Nice hole. So I've just wedged the fire blanket up against the bodywork there where the hole is. Hopefully that protects it all here.
That panel's not welded to the inner. It's just sealed.
What do you mean? Oh, that?
There's no weld here.
Oh, okay.
It's just sealed. I'm assuming they'll just have bonded it and spot welded where they needed to.
So do you reckon we just weld it at the front, this side and the top, and then we'll put some thing sealer on it there? And
I'm going to try and get a little bit of weld onto it.
just a spot weld here and there.
Maybe I'll get a little bit of a run out of it.
Yeah, well if you can't, I mean, we could put some seam sealer on it anyway. I'm sure we've got some.
Well, it's going to need that either way. Because of the...
Yes, right.
The hole that's here, I think it's supposed to have a bung in it.
Sure.
Look it into your arch.
Oh, here?
Yeah. That's
There
why
wasn't on the old one, that's where the indicators go through.
maybe needs a rubber because there's no arch liner.
I know, I need to get some.
It just fires it. That's probably why this is rotting out. Or rotted, I could say.
Yeah, I'm going to get an arch liner for it. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Or either that, or you can get just wiring pungs.
Right, yeah.
They'll just wrap around the wire and then, or silicon it up. Just make your own.
Yeah.
What's that?
You reckon the water's coming over there, it's hitting the wheel, getting all thrown back up. That's
Oh,
what's
I
all rotted.
need two liners on the
Yeah,
other.
yeah, yeah.
Prettiest, it was a pin fucking out. Look at smoke in it, that.
Solid, nice. Right, that's all welded up. Pop a load of seam sealer on there. It's cooled down. We can give it a paint. Put the ECU back on. So we've replaced we've plugged in that relay 244 for the ISV. We tried 2 ISVs in it, and neither of them are buzzing. So maybe that green cable is important. If you know where that goes, please let us know. But when Titch was here, he also noticed that when my dad pulled up the dipstick, there was a strong smell of petrol. And we've got petrol in our oil, which is indicating that our piston rings have gone. So that's exciting. Need to think about what to do with that. Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to get that painted up in another video, but that's all we've got time for today. I'll have to get this seam sealed and painted. Actually, it might not be buzzing because we've got the flipping. Hang on, let's try doing that. Yeah, so we plugged the ECU back in temporarily. Obviously, that's not going to help. But yeah, the ISV still isn't buzzing. So if you know where that green wire goes, maybe that's a mystery. The part that's missing, let us know. Yeah, so we're going to get this seam sealed and painted, but that's all we've got time for right now for today. It's getting dark, so thanks for watching. Any advice you can give us be helpful. See you in a video again soon.